So as usual, same dialogue, time and tide wait for none, right? So you were in class 8, 2082 Chaitra, right? 2082 Chaitra 5 to 13, there was final exam. And on 26th, there was a result. Then you reached into grade 9, and from Boisak, your formal classes of class 9 started. Boisak, Jes, Asad, Shravan, 4 months already completed. So one third of the year is over. Right, today is Bhadra 1st, 2083, Monday. Now your second term exam is also approaching very soon. That's why you need to focus on all areas of learning: reading, writing, listening, speaking, practicing, presenting, focusing. So many ing are there, right? In Anupam Vidya Sadan, there is system of presentation after completion of that particular topic. Recently, the chapter universe is over, right? And the chapter is 11th chapter. So roll number 11. Actually, here you can see roll number 12. Earlier, her rank was 12, that's why roll number 12. One student left the school, that's why her roll number became 11 and she got the chance to go. So two students are going to present in today's class. The chapter is universe. So, which chapter? Chapter is 12. A chapter is 12. Oh, that's what roll number is 12 there, right? Submitted by Caessura Baduwal, 111. You can see the date here, 2083 111, and today means 2083 51. She is going to present, and there is our one next friend who is also going to present. He is none other than Biraj, Khatiwada, right? Okay, let's welcome them on this stage. What who is going to present? Okay, Caessura. This mic is just keep it safely, right? This is the one. Your duty is let me go this side. Everybody, please.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. As you all know, it's me, Caessura Baduwal, standing here to present about the universe with my friend Biraj Khatiwada. Content. What is universe? Units used to measure distance in the universe. Nebula and black hole, life cycle of stars, international and national agencies involved in the astronomy. What is universe? The size and shape of the size and the shape of the universe are unknown. The universe is so huge that it has no beginning and ending part points to determine its size. Less than 5% of the universe is made up of normal matter, which is visible to us in the form of various heavenly bodies. The remaining more than 95% of the universe is invisible to us. Of this, about 25% consists of dark matter and about 70% is dark energy, the energy responsible for the construction and expansion of the universe.
You can do from that side only. From there only.
Units used to measure distance in universe. Units like astronomical unit, light year, and parsec are used to measure the distance between the heavenly bodies of the universe. astronomical u-
From next one, yeah. You press there. Up. Yeah. Very good.
astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. Astronomical unit is the smallest special unit of length used in astronomy. The distance between the Sun and the Earth is one astronomical unit. Its value is 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer light year. It is very common unit used to express the distance between the heavenly bodies. It is defined as the distance covered by light in 1 year. Parsec. The word parsec is made of two words, parallax and second. Parallax is the change of the angular position of two sanitary points relative to each other as seen by and observed due to motion of the observer. Nebula and black hole. Nebula comes from the gas and the dust thrown by the explosion of a supernova or dying massive star. A nebula is the region where new stars are born. That's why nebula is sometimes called star nurseries. The gas in nebula contains mostly hydrogen and helium. The dust and gases in nebula are very low in density, but gravity can slowly begin to pull them together. As, as the lumps formed by gravity grow bigger and bigger, their gravity becomes stronger and stronger, creating the conditions for a new star to form in the nebula. The closest non-nebula to the Earth is called Helix Nebula. It is the remnant of a dying star and is about 700 light years away from the Earth. The black hole region seen at the center of the picture given above is not a hole as suggested by its name. It is a very massive region of dark matter with extreme gravity. A black hole is a large amount of matter packed into a very small area. Imagine the gravity of a star is 10 times more massive than the sun is squeezed into a sphere approximately the diameter of a few square kilometers. The gravity of a black hole is so strong that not even a light can escape from it. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, black holes are formed from massive dead stars. Life Life cycle of stars. Although stars are non-living things, they are born, grow, age, and die like living beings. It takes millions of years to form a star, which is why our lifespan is too short to see and experience star formation. Due to continuous gravitational attraction on the lumps of the nebula, the matter collides together and the temperature of the region increases. When the temperature reaches about 1 million degrees Celsius, it is called protostar, which is the pre-star stage. At this temperature, nuclear fusion begins, changing hydrogen into helium, and a star is born. In a star, the inward energy, gravity, and outward energy, nuclear energy, balance each other, maintaining the size of the star constant. The balance of inward and outward energies of a star is called delicate. Delicate equilibrium. Now I would like to call my friend Biraj to the next presentation.
Namaskar everybody, it's me Biraj Khatiwada. I am going to present here international and national agency involved in astronomical. Astronomical development is supported worldwide by various agencies through reach, promoting and coordinate in Nepal. Progress is slow due to high cost, but a few or organizations continue to contribute with limited resources. We will verify discussion some of the main international and national agencies involved. International Astronomical Unit (IAU), the International Astronomical Unit (IAU) was founded in 1919 AD. IAU has the missions to promote and safeguard the science of astronomical in all its aspects, including research, educational, communication, and development. Through international, it is cooperated on cooperation or non-governmental governmental organism affiliated with the International Council of Scientific Union (ICSU). Its membership is in 19 countries worldwide, of which 85 countries are national members. Huh? National Aeronautics and Space Administrators (NASA). NASA was established in 1958 AD. In the United States, it is a governmental organism of the USA. NASA engages in a wide range of activities. The NASA headquarters is located in Washington DC, and there are 10 NASA centers across the United States. Additionally, there are 7 smaller NASA working places where they test and studies Earth and space. Thousands of people work for NASA. While being an astronaut is probably the most well-known job at NASA, astronauts may make up just a small part of the workforce. India Space Research Organization (ISRO), the Indian Space Research ISRO, is the national space agency of India, established in 1969 AD, with its headquarters in Bang, Bang, Bengaluru. ISRO is the primary academy in India responsible for tasks related to space-based application, space exploration, and the development of technology. Is one of only six government space in the world that possess full launch capabilities. Develops cryogenic engineers. launches launches extraterrestrial missions and operation large fleets of artificial satellite. China's National Space Administration CNSA. The China's National Space Administration is the national space agency of the People's Republic of China. It was established in 1993 AD with its headquarters in Beijing. CNSA is responsible for the national space program and for planning and development space activities. CNSA has point, created a number of achievements in space for China, including becoming the first space academy to land on the far side of the moon, writing second agency to successfully land and recover on Mars. Japan Aerospace Exploring Agency JAX is the Japan Aerospace Exploring Agency. JAX was established in 2003 AD. It is an independently institution formed by the merging of three institutions: the Institutions of Space and Astronomical Science (ISA), the International Aerospace Laboratory of Japan (NAL), and the National Space Development Agency of Japan (NASD). It was designed as a poor performance agency to support the Japanese government overall aerospace development and anxiety. Nepal Academy of Science and Technology (NASTA). The Nepal Academy of Science and Technology (NASTA) is an autonomous express body established in 1982 and to promote science and technology in the countries. The academy is instituted with four major objectives: the advancement of science and technology for the all-round development of the national, the present, preservation and furthermore modernization of indigenous technologies to promote of research in science and technology and the identification and facilitations of accurate technology transfer. Thank you.
If there is presentation, you have to practice. One time, two time, three time, four time. Coming here and reading, that doesn't matter, right? Understand? You have to show their slide and explain. That's why presentation is very important. Understand? Now, which chapter are you doing? Chemical reaction, right? What is the chapter number? What is 15? 15. 15 means whose number is 15? Whose number 15? Largely and okay, largely roll number 15. Largely will present plus who is after you? What is roll number? 28. Okay, the Larley and roll number 1. Who is roll number 1? Pawan. Larley and Pawan, they will be presenting this one, okay? Preparation is done. Now you became the supporting actor. See the main actor, you are second main actor. And when next chapter is done, then that person and who is done? Panisha will do. Roll number 2. A. Roll number 2 is Nishan. Okay, what is the next chapter? Some gases. Find out what is the chapter. Some gases. What is the chapter? 17? 16? Who is number 16? Hello, who is number 16? Nirav and Nishan. So they will be presenting together. Nirav will prepare the slide and accordingly they have to do. But presentation must be much better than this, right? Understood? Please go.
Yes, sir.
Opposite cancer marks the transition of a protostar into a main sequence star. What primary nuclear process marks the transition of a protostar into a main sequence star? Ejection of, no, initiation of hydrogen fusion in its core? Okay. He said number B. Everybody check it. Right answer. Okay. With this reason, keep the marks. How much mark they are going to get? Group A 1 mark. Now it's a turn of Group B. Group B, Pavitra. Which read the question. What is the main component of interstellar nebula where new stars are born? Number D, hydrogen gas and helium gas. Are you sure? Okay, she said number D. Right answer! Give a big round of applause. Okay, hydrogen gas and helium gas. Now, Reason Shrestha. Okay, Reason Shrestha. Reason Shrestha, please read the question. What stellar remnant is left behind after a low to medium mass star exhausts its core nuclear fuel? Low to medium mass star. Yeah. After sorry, white dwarf. He said number D. Are you sure? Right answer. Correct. So each group has got one points, right?
Yes.
Now it's the turn of Group A. Group A wants to do Dipson. Please read the question. Which fundamental force is primarily responsible for pulling interstellar dust together to form stars? Which nuclear force from nuclear force 8 to 9 Number D, are you sure? Gravitational force is said. Right answer! Okay, one more mark is added to them. Now let's go to Group B. Group B, Pranjal Acharya. Read the question. What seismic explosion occurs at the hello? Wait again. Life cycle of a massive star. A. Supernova explosion. Are you sure? Okay. Right answer. Give big round of applause. Okay, 2 marks to them. Now it's a turn of Reason Thargi. Your turn. Read the question. Oh, who is talking? Are doing some homework with Keta? Stop. Right? Which astronomical unit of length is defined as the average distance between the Earth and the Sun? B. What is that? Astronomical unit. Is that the average distance between the Earth and the Sun? Right answer. Okay. Move on to next question. Group A. Janice Basnet. Janice Basnet. Then the one light year in SI units. Number A, B, C, D. A. Are you sure? 9.46 times 10 to the power 15 meters. Sure? Right answer! Somebody was saying B, here. Remember. Okay, one more point. Now next question goes to Group B. Shivani Chowdhury. Read the question. What structural category does the Milky Way have? Hey, yes, it's done. C. Spiral galaxy. Right answer. Good. Now it's the turn of Biraj Khatiwada. Here's the question. What extremely dense stellar remnant is formed after the supernova explosion of a massive star composed almost entirely of neutrons? B. Neutron star? Right answer! Give a big round of applause. So, all are winners. Nobody is loser. Give a big round of applause. This is the way. So, presentation as well as quiz over. Tomorrow we'll continue our lesson, chemical reaction. The chapter is going to be over. Within 2 days, I think the chapter will be finished. Then again there will be presentation. So, Meera Mananda, full-fledged slide must be prepared and submitted. Not that camera wala, not that hawa wala. Is that clear? You can discuss, hey? Who can discuss? Pawan and Biraj, and then discuss. Hey, Lavely and Pawan. Okay, thank you.